First, with my knife, I'm going to cut off the top of the orange and also the tail of the orange. Next, I'm going to show you my secret method for making this a little bit easier. I'm going to roll the orange on the cutting board. This is going to help the peel come off a little bit easier. It's a good secret, right? Next, I'm going to use my knife and I'm going to make several cuts into the orange peel this way. And here. Just like this. Cutting through the peel. And now I'm going to use my fingers and peel it off. Just like that. It's so easy, right? Anybody can do that. And last one. And ta-da! What do you guys think? Did I do a good job or what?
Kuvings.